Hello! Welcome to the Mechanical Engineering Lab Tour.
So today we're going to be showing you around our labs where you'll be doing your physical project work and all of your lab work. Let's go.
This is the undergraduate teaching lab. You'll be performing your group activities and your experimental labs down here once every 2 weeks.
So in first year, you're going to do the materials testing lab on this device. It involves pulling apart a piece of steel to seeing how it performs under stress, and then you'll look at the stress and strain results on this computer.
We'll also be doing a lot of group activities like the bridge building lab, where you make a bridge out of balsa wood and then test it to destruction. Great way to work on your teamwork skills and costing for engineering, etc.
Mechanics is a big part of engineering, and in second year, you'll look at these beams and how they perform under pressure and stress. You'll also perform the same test computationally and compare the experimental and computational results.
So alongside where you do your first year labs, we have the machine workshop. The technicians will help you get familiar with using machines such as the milling machine and lathe, and to test your skills, you'll build a model car. You'll then get to use these machines later on for your group business design and final year projects if you choose to do a manufacturing project.
This is the second half of the workshop where you can learn less conventional skills, such as hot wire cutting and filing. You can also use this area in your second year design and make project. Over here we have an example of the ramp used to race the cars, where you will make and file the bodies as well as build the chassis next door and then test how fast they go.
We're going to have a look in the build rooms now. So you can get involved with competition teams at any time during your time at University of Bath, but especially in third year during the group business design project, in fourth year as well for your final year project. Hi Joe, can you tell us a bit about TVR?
Yeah, so we're one of two Formula student teams based at the University of Bath. We're the combustion team, meaning we run on an internal combustion engine. We compete every year in the UK at Silverstone and abroad across Europe. Students can absolutely get involved from day one, helping us out with odd jobs, and then as part of their degree in the third and the final year. This was the previous year's car. This just finished competing in Silverstone in July, and the current team, 22, is finishing up the design ahead of building our own car to compete next summer. We're hoping to launch a successful tour into Europe as well.
This build room further down the corridor houses Green Bath Racing. So this is our eco-marathon team. The Shell Eco-Marathon goes on every year, and it's a really good opportunity to get involved with if you're looking to get some hands-on practical engineering skills and business skills. Securing our sponsors every year is always a positive. This room is also shared with the Bath drones team. Now, everything you see here is made from scratch. Most of the body is made on site in the autoclave. Another fantastic opportunity to get involved with the University of Bath.
So we're coming up to the autoclave now, where they make all of the carbon fibre parts for the Team Bath Racing and the Bath Drone team.
Through here is the autoclave. You'll notice it's quite loud at the moment because it is actually running. And then through into the next room is the wind tunnel. In second year, you'll do an aerofoil lab using this wind tunnel as part of your fluid dynamics module.
So this is one of our larger wind tunnels that the university has. It's used for industries who want to come in, test large-scale components such as Team GB Paralympics testing their wheelchair, or any motorcycles, cars, things like that. This wind tunnel is capable of speeds of up to 25 kilometres an hour.
For components that are smaller and need to be tested at higher wind speeds, there's this wind tunnel that can go up to 120 kilometres per hour and is used to test aerospace components.
Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed our tour.
If you need any more information, please visit the website, and we hope to see you here with us soon.
Bye. Bye.